Excited to show you this one. It's a dual 100 horsepower, full sour, 1500 ANSI water injection disposal unit. Come, let's take a look. Let's begin with the stars of the show right here. Weatherford W130s. It's exact carbon copy of the National 130T, except these were built in Texas in 2012, not shipped overseas like Weatherford did later in the years. Sour unit, full duplex stainless steel fluid ends on them. Right here we've got the suction and discharge stabilizers, which we will order specifically for your application. We've got the PSVs, same thing, we'll install those. And a lot of the instrumentation and valves were previously lifted by the operators before we acquired the unit. So all the instrumentation has been replaced, such as the rose mount differential pressure transmitters for the 2-inch startup bypass, the new ET valves. All the piping and all the valves are internally coated. The piping, the discharge is 2-inch 1500 ANSI, and the suction is 6-inch 150 ANSI. Everything is internally coated for sour. Now down in this giant space, we intentionally left empty. When this package was moved off site, the Penn West took the pumps and the filters and put them in the other package. So we didn't replace that at all. We left it here. So we have a charge pump. There's another spool behind this heater, but we have everything set up to install one or two centrifugal charge pumps here. And then as you can see, it moves right into the filter manifold here. We've got the outlets of the filter. You can install 3, 5, or 7 bag filters there. We can help you with that. And then right into here leaves this wide open area here, which is perfect for recycle pumps or any other auxiliary equipment that you may want to pipe in here on site. Sumps, and more sumps. We've got 3 sumps in here. The one right down here by the filters, the one over by the pumps, the floor wash sumps. Then we also have this sealed sump, which is worth mentioning because it's a sour unit. Fully sealed sump, we've got a pneumatic pump out, high level shutdown, and all the process from the suction, we've got bleed rings, and all the filter drains, all ties into this drain system into the sealed sump. Now we did include this because we don't actually know if you want to use this, but the provisions are all here. We got the electrical here, wired all the way to the JBs, and as well as the piping to install 2 air compressors that will run all the instrumentation in this package. Coming back to the pumps, these ran for less than 6 months, as I indicated. We internally inspected them and they are still as new. So as such, we will back these by a new 12-month warranty. Both pumps are run on a 100 horsepower TECO Westinghouse TEFC electric motors. And speaking of electric, it's a full gamut of electric in here. We've got obviously the 2 Haslock heaters here, which will be mounted. We've got exhaust fans. We've got fire eyes. We've got LEL detection. We've got H2S detection. We've got exhaust fans. We've got lights, interior and exterior, exterior ESD buttons. Now the perfect application for this pump is somebody that has a disposal or an injection standalone site. And let me show you why this makes so much sense. The included MCC building into this. Again, this unit was used less than 6 months before it was shut down. And this MCC was part of it. Inside, got an Allen Bradley PLC control panel, a UPS system. You got 2 100 horsepower Toshiba VFDs. Still has the plastic on the screen here. Got an 800 amp main disconnect. All your other disconnects to run your heaters and lights and charge pumps, etc. Instrument air compressors. And as well, you can see we got lots of extra capacity here. So Again, if you're a standalone site and you need some recycle pumps or other auxiliary equipment, it's built-in capacity right there. There you have it, the crown jewel of Crusader Joint Venture's current pump inventory. $700,000 of original purchase order value, full sour unit, 12-month warranty, lots of space to configure the options as you need. We're pump experts. Let us help you with your application.
Just gotta get my reps in for these t-shirt shots.